Okay, here we have these Lamborghini Mura headlamp lift motors. Now, originally these used the Ducellier version motors, which are actually, again, two motors in one. Half of it is dedicated up and half is dedicated to down. So given copper and iron, the modern polarity reversing motors are far stronger. It has permanent magnets in it, and it uses its full force in either up or down by reversing the polarity on the two input wires. Of course, the original Ducellier has no less than 4 wires, a ground, and then two in combination to go up or down. The modern motor is so much more efficient, smooth, that we have just adapted it to operate on the original, on one of the versions of the original Ducellier switches that had 4 wires connected to it. We're just operating this through polarity reversing relays. But the added advantage of this is that we shorten the path of power to the motor. And because all motors are essentially change speeds according to the voltage they get, we've eliminated a lot of voltage drops and give pure power to the motors for the best operation. So, Matt, could you operate this for us on the motor that we have in the vise?
You're not going to be able to tell it's moving except for the tiny gear.
Well, we can hear it.
Okay, right.
So there's up, motors up, and motors down. A far more efficient system. I guess you can operate it and see the gears going around. Okay. So this will come with a wiring schematic. You may have to lengthen or shorten the wires. Recommended positioning of the relays. Likely you can put these relays in the same place that the circuit breaker for the ground loop on these lamps is. And of course, these relays will run both motors simultaneously for up and down on your Mura headlamps. So thank you for your attention, and we'll get back to you later.